Hi, Chris from Matilda Education here. Welcome to MyDigital, the home of Matilda's enriched digital textbooks. In this video, I'll show you how to register and log in to access your digital resources. MyDigital is available on desktops, laptops and iPads with other devices to follow. In your browser, go to the website mydigital.matildaeducation.com.au. If you don't already have a MyDigital subscription, then you'll need to register first before logging in. To do this, click on the Register button. Click on the down arrow at the end of the Select School field. You can scroll down the list to find your school name, or just start typing the name of your school. Please remember to select your school, as you won't be able to use the class creation function if you aren't registered at the correct school. Enter your name. Enter your email address. This should be your school email address. Create a password that has at least 8 characters and contains a mix of uppercase, lowercase and alphanumeric characters. Confirm your password. Click on the Create Account button. A confirmation email will then be sent to the email address you entered. Go to your email account and, once you've received the email from MyDigital support, click on the link, which will take you back to the login page. Your account has now been successfully activated. Now that you have a subscription to MyDigital, you can log in using the email address and the password you used to register. This will take you to your MyDigital homepage. When you first log in to the MyDigital platform, your browser may give you the option of remembering your login information. This will make it easier to log in quickly next time. Additionally, you can bookmark or favorite the MyDigital page by clicking on the star icon in your browser search bar. Finally, to log out, simply click on the 3 dots next to your name in the top right-hand corner. Click Log Out. That's it for now. Thank you for choosing Matilda Education, and remember to visit vimeo.com/Matilda Education for our next video walkthrough.